I'm Dan Doherty, currently 48. I strive to be professional.
It's almost like the truck is your office.
I love that in small business, that interaction with the client, building up friendships and having a bit of a laugh.
Just for winding your straps up.
I've worked for timber yards, a lot of scaffolding work, air conditioners, workshop machinery, erecting signs, solar panels, roller doors.
Fresh gearbox in it, which is quite very good gearbox.
The big component of trucking is safely moving the load. You can't be complacent.
Here's all the chains I use, so I've made this.
All the different places you go to, that's intriguing too. And it's always challenging, all the different driveways you go down to. Sometimes, I'm not that impressed about going down some of the driveways.
I think it's a pretty cool setup. It's kind of like when you
I get paid per hour, and I don't want to be fluffing around wasting someone's time. I want to be really efficient. I drive down the highway seeing some of the way these people have got their loads strapped.
slings, so they're all organised. Isuzu, very reliable truck.
Gotta stop saying though. I'm not allowed to say